This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable autoplay for audio or video on Waterfox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section, and right down here, Autoplay. You want to go straight off to the right of Autoplay, and you want to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that pops up, by default, it's probably set to block audio, but you can click this drop down. You can allow audio and video, you can block audio, or you could block audio and video. Say I wanted to block audio and video from autoplaying, I'm going to click on that one. Then you want to go down to the bottom here and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable autoplay on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.